I want to take you through a brief somatic experiencing exercise. What I first invite you to do is just notice your relationship with gravity. Where does your body begin? Where does it end? Noticing your edges and how you connect to the earth. And then beginning to bring your attention inward, scanning from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, noticing all the micro muscles in your face, around your eyebrows and mouth and jaw, moving down to your shoulders and neck. And take your time moving all the way down to your toes, being sure to pay attention to your bones and your blood and all your organs. Noticing how it is to be you right now. And see if you can get a sense. And just notice where you feel particularly drawn to. And noticing if this is a place that feels preferable or not preferable to you. If it feels preferable, let yourself get curious how your body communicates this sensation being preferable to you. And if it doesn't, let yourself get curious what this part of you is wanting or needing in this time and space.